Hello students. Today we will learn English grammar module 4. In this module we will learn the name of some fruits, vegetables and we will learn what is subject, pronoun. So let us start with the name of fruits. Apple, apple. Mango, mango. Grapes, grapes. Banana, banana. Now we will learn the name of some vegetables. Carrot, carrot. Onion, onion. Corn, corn. Potato, potato. Students, we have learned the name of some fruits and vegetables. These are nouns or naming words. Our next topic is subject pronoun. Subject pronouns are words that we use in place of a noun. Subject pronouns are words that we use in place of a noun. I, we, you, he, she, it and they are pronouns. Now let's read these sentences. Rohan plays football. Rohan goes to school. Rohan is a good boy. Here, Rohan is a noun. Instead of repeating his name again and again, we can replace it with a pronoun. So, let's see the sentences again. The first sentence will remain same. Rohan plays football. He goes to school. He is a good boy. We use the pronoun he when we are talking about a boy or a man. We use the pronoun she when we are talking about a girl or a woman. Example, Geeta is my friend. Geeta is a good girl. Instead of repeating her name again in the second sentence, we can replace the noun Geeta with a pronoun. So let's see the sentences again. Geeta is my friend. She is a good girl. Students, we use the pronoun you when we are talking to someone else. Example, how are you? We use the pronoun they when we are talking about a group of people. Example, they are walking. We use the pronoun it while talking about an animal or a thing. Example, it is an elephant. It is a table. We use the word I when we talk about ourselves. Example, I am a teacher. We use we when we are talking about oneself and others. Example, we are good friends. He, she and we are used for people. Example, he is my father. She is my mother. I, you, he, she are used for one person. It is used for one animal or thing. We is used for more than one person. They is used for more than one person, animal or thing. Students, I hope you have understood what is a subject pronoun. Thank you.